High-performance thinking isn't intelligence, it's discipline. Anyone can think clearly when life is quiet. The real test is this. Can you think well when you're tired, pressured, tempted, insulted, or uncertain? Most people can't, because their mind is run by impulse. Stoicism teaches the opposite. Your mind is a tool. You train it. You don't feel your way into clarity. You build clarity like a habit. Today, you'll learn a full mental discipline system. Practical, calm, and repeatable. No hype, no motivation. Just the method. Control your inputs or lose your mind. Your thoughts don't start in your head. They start in your environment. Every notification, headline, and comment is a tiny command. React now. High performers don't live in reaction. Rule: earn your first input. For the first 30 minutes after waking, no phone, no news, no messages. Drink water, get light, then write 3 lines. One priority that matters. One distraction that will try to steal you. One response you'll use when it shows up. You're not journaling. You're preloading discipline. Separate facts from stories. Most stress is not from reality. It's from the story you attach. Stoic practice: label precisely. Not "I'm failing." Say, "This is feedback." Not "They disrespected me." Say, "They spoke bluntly." Not "I can't handle this." Say, "This is hard, and I can still act." When language becomes accurate, your thinking becomes stable. The 10-second pause. The power move. Mental discipline is not suppressing emotion. It's creating space before emotion drives the wheel. Use the 10-second pause. Breathe in slowly. Feel your feet. Relax your jaw. Then ask, what is the next correct move? One breath is enough to break the chain. Most people live chained to their first impulse. You don't. The decision filter. Stop overthinking. When you're overwhelmed, everything feels urgent. Use this filter. 3 questions. Is it in my control? Will it matter in a year? Is there a clear next action? If it's not in your control, release it. If it won't matter, don't feed it. If there's a next action, write it in 1 sentence and do it. Anxiety hates specificity. Clarity kills rumination. The attention. Reset when your brain is fried. High performers don't push through forever. They reset fast. When you feel scattered, do this for 2 minutes. Look at one point and breathe slowly. Name 5 things you can see. Then write. Right now, the only task is see. This pulls you out of mental noise and back into command. Discipline is knowing how to return, not pretending you never drift. Deep work discipline. 1 block a day. High-performance thinking requires depth, not constant speed. Daily minimum, 1 45 to 90-minute block of undistracted work. No music with lyrics, no multitasking, phone in another room. Start with a 1-line target. When this block ends, I will have... Oh. If your mind wanders, you don't punish yourself. You redirect. That redirection is the workout. Stress training. Calm under pressure. You don't rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your training. If you never practice discomfort, pressure will control you. Pick 1 small, daily stress drill. Cold shower for 30 to 60 seconds. A hard set to near failure. A walk without entertainment. The point is not suffering. The point is teaching your nervous system. Discomfort is not danger. Calm is available. Mental rehearsal. The Stoic advantage. Once a day, visualize a setback, a rude comment, a delay, a mistake, a rejection. Then rehearse your response. Slow voice, steady face, direct next step. This isn't negativity, it's preparation. The first time you practice calm shouldn't be in the middle of chaos. Energy. management. Sleep is strategy. A disciplined mind needs recovery. If you want high-performance thinking, protect sleep like a meeting. Same shutdown time, dim lights, no arguments, no heavy content. Write tomorrow's first task on paper. Then stop negotiating with your mind. A clean mind is built at night. The Stoic mirror. Review without self-hate. Every evening, do a 3-minute review. What did I do well? Where did I lose control? What is one adjustment for tomorrow? No shame, no drama, just data. A disciplined life is a series of small corrections. The 6-month reset plan. Month 1, inputs, silence mornings, reduce noise. Month 2, language, facts over stories. Month 3, action, next steps, not rumination. Month 4, pressure, daily discomfort drills. Month 5, depth, 1 deep work block daily. Month 6, identity. You become the person who keeps promises to himself. Here's the key. Mental discipline isn't a mood. It's a contract. You don't wait to feel ready. You act, then the mind follows. And over time, people notice something. You don't rush. You don't explain. You don't panic. You think clean. You move with purpose. That is quiet authority. And it's how high performance becomes normal.